Hello everyone, it's Genwa Manifestation Coach. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video entitled How to Make Something Happen. How to Make Something Happen. Okay, so this video I'm going to be talking about how to make something happen from a manifestation perspective, not in a forceful way, but with an inner power, with a strength, and with an inner ability to make a decision and stick to it energetically. So right now on the planet, we are experiencing huge amounts of victim energy, okay? There are many people in this victim mindset and victim energy where they feel that the external world has done something to hurt them, right? And to belittle them and oppress them. Now, I'm not saying that that's not what's happening. What I'm saying is people still have the power. Everyone still has the power within. Everyone still has their own power within. The problem with the world is that the majority of people are looking at what's going on externally and letting that decide for them, right? Like I just said, this video is all about how to make a decision and make it happen. Make a decision for your reality and make it happen, right? And this can be such a foreign concept to people. They think that if they're making a decision, something external is going to validate that decision for them. No, you have to validate that decision and you have to make it happen. There's only you in your reality. There's only you, your body, your mind, your thoughts. That's all there is. And let me get deeper here. I'm going to tell you what's actually in the way of you making a decision and sticking to it, right? Setting a manifestation goal and making it happen, okay? What's actually in the middle here that's preventing you from getting to that final destination? All right, so it's simple. It's really simple. It's just, again, it's a reorganizing yourself to live from the inside out. To live from the inside out instead of from the outside in, okay? The outer world does not have power over you. Your inner world is God. Your inner world is God. And to God, everything is easy. To God, instant manifestation is a done deal. Miracles are normal, okay? To God, God manifests anything easily, okay? So what's in the way, right? Why aren't people living this way? What's going on here, right? If it's that easy, if God can manifest anything easily, why are we living in this world where people are struggling, especially right now with all the external circumstances going on? People are being pulled around by these external circumstances. Why? Right? Okay. So the reason is what's in the middle of your decision and your goal achieved, okay? The manifestation, same thing as goal achieved, manifestation. So what's in the middle? It's your mind. That's it, okay? Your mind, your thoughts, your feelings, and your past conditioning, your past trauma that makes your mind what it is today, okay? So you have all the power because what's in the way here? What's going on up here and what's going on in here? Your feelings, your thoughts, who you think you are. Okay, now, it's also like, okay, it's not that simple, right? Because there's a lot of pieces to what's going on in here and what's going on in here, okay? We are complicated, complex human beings. We have a lot going on. So, and a lot of people are repressing a lot of stuff. So if people are repressing what they're thinking and feeling, then I mean, if they're not conscious, if you're not conscious of what's going on in here in your inner world, which your inner world is connected to the source, to God energy, right? And to God, anything is easy to manifest. So the closer you get to God, the better you get at manifestation. The better you get at making your goals happen. So how to get closer to God? How to clear the space between you, your decision, and the manifestation. Okay, this stuff, okay? There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, you gotta be conscious of what your mind is telling you 24/7. This thing is like there's complicated voices. There's many different types of voices happening, okay? Voices or thoughts, whatever word resonates with you. So you want to be conscious of your experience, okay? What thoughts are you intaking from the world, that you're getting from the world, that then are putting you on a trail of thought? What conversations are you having with people that are putting you on a certain trail of thought? You want to be conscious of all that stuff, because if you're focused more on conversations with other people, and if you're focused more on the external world, right, and your focus is out there, you are going to be manifesting that stuff. Okay, you want to have the power here. So you want to first, okay, to get this stuff cleared out. This is the stuff. This is the only stuff that's in the way of you and your goal achieved. Okay, your decision and the manifestation is this stuff in the middle. And this stuff is your self-image, okay, who you think you are, what you expect to have in life, what you expect to be deserving of. Okay, there's a lot of pieces in here. So you want to start to, there's only so much I can do for you in one YouTube video. This is why my one-on-one coaching is the best thing ever, because we get to the root of things. Okay, my coaching programs get to the root of everything. It's the best thing ever. Because if you get to the root of what's causing you from not getting what you want in life, not creating the life of your dreams, right, and you clear the stuff that's in the way, then you can be free. You can be free. Like, what is the price of freedom to you, right? So, all right, so I'm just going to give you some examples, but in my one-on-one coaching or any of my programs, we dive deeper and we actually pick apart, what's actually going on for you individually. So you have in here the stuff that's in the way is, right, what you expect. Okay, so if you set a goal and here's the manifestation over here, and in the middle you have, well, you don't feel like that's a real thing. Like your goal is to manifest a Mercedes-Benz. Just something coming to my mind right now. Okay, you want a Mercedes, but no one in your family has ever had a Mercedes. It's too expensive. You don't believe you can hold that amount of money in your vibration, in your reality. You don't know how it's going to happen. Okay, so all these thoughts, right? These are all thoughts that are in the way. Because if you believed, right, that it's easy to have a Mercedes-Benz. Everyone in my family has a Mercedes-Benz. Like, it's no big deal. We have tons of money in my family. We've always had tons of money, right? So if you had those kinds of thoughts going on, it was just normal for you to have a Mercedes-Benz. You're like, oh yeah, I always get tons of money from this job and this thing and that thing. And it's just all like coming to you. Then it's going to be like, oh, we're getting a Mercedes-Benz. It's a simple desire you have, and then you go get it, right? So if you are coming from a place where getting a Mercedes-Benz is actually a big goal for you, right? Because you don't come from a wealthy family, okay? So there's going to be a lot of stuff in the middle here that you're going to have to clear to get to the manifestation. But the thing you need to know is that the manifestation is certain. If that's a true desire of your soul to get a Mercedes-Benz, then that's for certain. That's going to happen. And you have to know that you're enough. You have enough power to make that happen. Okay, and it's going to be a journey to get there, right? If you have a lot of stuff in the middle. But the stuff in the middle, right? All the thoughts and feelings that you have about your goal, the manifestation, all that stuff is what you need to own. You need to take ownership, okay? What most people are doing is they're falling into the victim. They're saying, oh, okay, I can't get a Mercedes-Benz because no one in my family has ever had a Mercedes-Benz. We're not wealthy people. Okay. If that's what you're telling yourself, then you are going to manifest that. You see how there's no victim? Okay, you could tell the story, well, that person over there, they had a wealthy family and I didn't, so they get to have the Mercedes and I don't. You can tell that story, and if you tell that story, you are a victim. You are being in a victim energy. And that victim energy is what you're manifesting, and you're not going to get your goal. You're not going to get your Mercedes. Because what you say, my screen is going dark. What you say goes. What you say goes, because you are the creator of your own reality. There are no victims unless you create a victim. Anyone who is a victim or in a victim, and I don't like to say they are a victim because they are experiencing a victim energy. They are attached to a victim mindset, and that's all they know. And some people know that, and they still continue to choose it. So those people are extremely in the victim. But again, I don't like to say they are a victim because that would be disempowering them. They have the choice to get out of the victim, but they have to make that choice for themselves. And the victim's not going to make that choice. So that's when you have to realize that you're not a victim. That's where consciousness comes into play, that you have to realize the victim is a thought, it's a voice in your head, it's an energy, and it's not you. You are the Almighty. You are the source thinking and feeling and experiencing this world. But you are always, always all powerful. It's just about maneuvering yourself through this stuff in the middle that's in between you and your manifestation, right? This is how you make something happen. You make something happen by clearing the stuff that's in the way. Okay, and there can be a lot of junk in here. When we're setting a big goal, there can be a lot of stories, there can be a lot of energies that are blocking you. All right, so that's why I have one-on-one coaching available. That's why I have my amazing money manifesting space. In this space, people are clearing their money beliefs. They are getting in alignment with more and more abundance. And this group is available. You can find the link on my website. I will leave the links below. Feel free to like this video. If you gained value from this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe if you feel you are getting value from this channel. Thank you so much for listening. And remember, you can make anything happen. Your decision is almighty powerful. You just got to understand how to clear the voices and clear the stuff in the way. And your manifestation is certain. Namaste.